So in my computer keyboard I am going to show you how to create a spherical angle. So how to create this symbol using keyboard shortcut in your computer. You must first open the Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, and you can create this symbol using a keyboard shortcut, that is Alt 8738. I'll show you how to create this symbol. For doing this, you must first go to your computer keyboard, and suppose if your number lock is off, you can turn the number lock on. I can see okay, you can see this is the Alt key on the left side of the space, but you can press and hold this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, you must type here 8738. So after typing 8738, you can simply release your finger from this Alt key. So if you do like that, then you can see that this symbol have been arrived, that is a spherical angle. For more videos you can subscribe.